In this expression, we have 3 divisions, and when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. Okay, so first this 3 divided by 3, which gives us 1. So 1 divided by 3, and again divided by 3. Now we have to do this division. 1 divided by 3 can be written as 1 over 3. Then divided by 3. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So 1 over 3 times 1 over 3, which equals 1 over 3 times 3 gives us 9. So 1 over 9. And this is our final answer to this problem.